Alright, this is a demo for the Sunnen model SV-1005-2-S1, serial number 2F1-1017. Alright, Rod?
Do a walk around? Sure,
let's do a walk around.
Street, front end. Can you get through here?
Yes.
We'll get to the side in a minute. I got a drive bays open already.
We hit the coolant system right behind you just because.
Yeah, go for it.
There's the coolant, paper media.
Clean out buckets here. It's all together. The rest of the coolant down low here. Coolant lines all come into the system here. Air pneumatics, air system, lube. That's pretty much it back here. Got A and B drives over here, the Siemens drives, column A, feed and servo for stroker. Column B on this side, they're identical. Down below is the coolant interface. This plugs in. Pretty much good there.
Got it.
Yep, went through here. The electrical panel, documentation. Primary voltage, 480 volts coming in. A primary. I/O relays, disconnect, books, documentation, electrical schematics are all there. Software disks are there. We're pretty much good to go here. Power supply.
Oops.
It's all good.
Okay. You want to open the side doors or?
Yeah, we
you want to do that later?
Come around to the front maybe. We'll take a
Okay.
quick peek at what we're doing here. Gotta get on my left shoulder.
Yeah.
Just,
all good.
yeah, we just took an existing setup for the sake of the video and went to like column A. All we're doing is we're taking a start diameter of 0.3900, and taking a final diameter of 3091. So we're taking off 1/10. And we took a 3-second cycle and turned it into a 30-second cycle. So we're basically taking 30 seconds to take off 1/10. And here's our honing page, which is the next one. Shows us on this particular, which is column A, we're at 700 RPM on the spindle. Stroke length is there, stroke speed, and you'll see that on the video, 25 SPM, 60%, all standard, 20 RPM on the pre-hone spindle speed. And if we get out of this one and we go to B, it'll be almost identical. But again, it's tooling, same thing, 0.3091 is start diameter, finish diameter 0.3092, and we have no load force on the tool, so it won't see any force on the gas gauge either. I'll show you that in a second, and then we'll run it. And this one isn't running at 700, just for the sake of difference, this one's running 900 RPM, but they're almost identical. 20 SPM, 80 inches per minute on the position rate. Going back to the main menu here, we get out of this, get into the main menu, which is in our run menu. Shows the gas gauges. We'll show cycle time up here on column A, column B. We won't show any tool load because we have no tool in there. We're doing a dry run. But you'll see the 30 seconds click off on the feed mechanism, and it just times it out for a 30-second cycle time. We're ready to run right now.
All right, so we'll run and show the mechanical movements, and then come back and show it once on the screen, the readout.
Right, and if you want side door too. We got the door open. I have the safety interlocks turned off so that we can open up the door.
Okay.
And kind of watch it with the door open.
All right, why don't I take a picture just inside here,
and
then I'll let you just guide me.
Right.
Okay.
Column A, column B, again, 700 RPM, 900 RPM, you'll see it stroking, standard stroke. We got the chip breaker right here, coming down slowly, comes in even though there's no part. Whenever you're ready, we can hit cycle start.
Okay.
Good to go?
I will be in a second.
Sure.
Okay, so I'm not going to focus on the screen at all. I'm just going to focus on the mechanical movements of the machine.
Yeah, it's a 30-second cycle, and then we can do another one. You can shoot over to the screen. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right. With the feed-in stroke, 20 RPM until it hits the feed diameter.
It's our air compressor.
Yeah, we'll be okay with that. We'll do another one.
It's all right.
We'll do one more. Do one more right away?
Yeah, let's do it right away
yeah,
before the compressor kicks on.
Yeah, there we go. Again, chip breaker down, AB, feed stroke.
Okay, want me to take the screen now?
Yeah, one with screen, and then you can maybe
All right.
get half of this, and you'll see.
So let's just say that do the same cycle and we'll just watch the screen this time, right?
Right, watch the gas gauge. It just times out, basically shows. Ready?
Yep.
As soon as it starts finish feeding in, it'll pick up the cycle time. This isn't part of the cycle yet, it's still coming down. Now we go. Now we're feeding. Got stroker count, feed count, it's all on there. There, if you wanted to, I don't know, get a side shot still?
Yeah, let's open up some doors. Is that what you're saying? Or do you want to run it in the side
Yeah, I
shot?
can run it, just, yeah. Oh, go ahead, I can start it up right away, take the cover off. You're coming down, right? Or was I too fast?
I don't know.
I thought I let go too soon. Yeah, I released the palm button, let me reset. I'm recovering. No. I have to recover from the feed. That's it.
What did you do?
Yeah, I let go of the palm buttons whenever it was indexing, so I have to reset it. It's an emergency stop.
All right, well, I'm going to keep running the tape just because. Otherwise, it turns into two videos.
Okay. I don't know if I can get out that fast.
Well, you're under pressure.
Select rotary table. I'm on a partial index. Usually I use an auto recovery mode. I'm setting up, I'd have to dial it in, and position, degrees. Yeah, I'm off.
It's moving.
I know it's moving, but where I have to put it at 0. I'm not going to get the okay until I know where that goes, so I'd have to recycle it and bring it back up and then hit the palm button.
Should I just stop the?
Yes. Well, might have reset it. Let's see. Index table recovery. Let's see if it made it. Maybe it gave it back to me. I think I got it. Yeah, we're going back to a run position.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, good.
We're good. All right. Ready to go?
Yep.
And let's try it again. This time I'll hold the buttons down.
Okay.
Yeah. Works a lot better that way. Including air recovery, huh?
What's the chip breaker system for? Just what it sounds like.
They
right?
were drilling cross holes in their long piece. It was a 20-inch piece, cylindrical, and they were cross drilling several holes in it, and the chips internally were still inside the bore. So they would break the chips off so as not to damage their tooling, their homes.
All right. I mean, let's go on the other side just for kicks, can we, or no? Or it's just.
The other door?
Yeah.
Might be. Let's see.
If it's not, we'll blow it off. Good. All right.
Want to hit it again, or?
Sure.
Okay. I'm good now. I hold the buttons down.
Here we saw the chip breaker go down too.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, sir.